Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami reindeer model. So without further delay, let's begin the show. So guys, for this origami reindeer model, we'll need two small square pieces of paper. Using this blue color, you can use any color. Most suitable would be a brown color, but I don't have brown paper, so let's begin. So first we'll keep this aside and we'll start with this one. First you fold it along the diagonal axis and one more time along the other diagonal axis. This is how it looks. Now you fold this tip till the center like this, and then you have this flap which you fold it like this and like this. Press it tightly. This is how it looks. Now this is how it looks. So for then we'll just fold this side like this till the center and till the top. Press it tightly. Here also we'll just fold it like this. Now you have this, we'll just fold it along this crease. As you can see here, we have a crease. We'll just fold it like this. Like this, and here I fold it like this. So this is the head of the reindeer. You can see the horns and the face. Now let's put the head aside and let's make the body. So for the body, we fold it along the diagonal axis first like this. Now we fold it along the other diagonal axis like this, forms a triangle. Open from here. Now this one flap, we fold it like this. This goes slightly above, and then from here you fold this till tip to the center like this, also on this side. This is how it looks. Now we turn the page and then we fold it till here like this. Open it, fold it half and then back it, and then this we fold it like this. So this is the body and this is the head. We just stick it here like this. So let me stick and I'll show you the final model. So guys, here is the final model. I've just stuck these two parts and we just stick it in this way, and this is how it looks, the final reindeer model. You can design and decorate it as per your wish. I make eyes, nose and mouth and all, but that's it for this tutorial guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next video. Take care. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's very easy two-piece reindeer origami model, so go ahead, make one, but don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care guys.